Welcome to Bling My Bike. I'm Brandon Brown. Today I'm going to show you how I obtained and post-processed the scan data for my water bottle that I used to build the bottle cage that I made for Bling My Bike. The first thing that I had to do was scan the bottle. I used the Creaform HandyScan Black Elite and the small part workflow to create two scans of the bottle that I aligned and merged to form one complete set of scan data. Next, I aligned and cleaned up the scan data using VX Elements, making sure to remove any spikes, holes, or other deformities that are present in the data. Once I had smooth scan data, I created geometry, namely cones, cylinders, and sketches for use in SolidWorks to actually build the bottle. After importing the geometry into SolidWorks, it was very easy to align the geometry and create the body of the bottle. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. We'll see you next week for our next episode of Bling My Bike.